Howdy folks. I received a few messages from my previous videos asking about my tractor and how I liked it, so I thought I'd do a quick little review on it. It's a Kioti CK2510HST, and I've been using this machine around our property for things like snow blowing, moving materials, with loader, general maintenance, and clearing trails. We bought it in 2020, and I currently have about 250 hours on it. This isn't going to be one of those real technical reviews, it's just my honest thoughts after using it for a few years, and a couple things I like, a couple things I don't like, something I would change if I was to buy a new one. So a little on the specs of the tractor. It's a 25 horse compact tractor with a hydrostatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Weighs in around 2,200 pounds, runs a 3-cylinder diesel engine, has about 20 horse at the peak. Has a category 1 3-point hitch that can lift roughly 1,200 pounds, I think, and which is plenty for most small projects and attachments around a place like ours. So the first thing I like about this tractor is the power for its size. For a 25 horse machine, it handles a lot of work around the property like ours. I run a MK Martin 60-inch forward-facing snow blower on it in the winter, and I'll do an extra separate video on that, just for those that are interested. I have the HLA 1500 snow pusher on it right now, but I do have a bucket for it for the summer project. As for moving dirt and gravel, the front end loader really handles pretty much everything. I don't feel like it's underpowered at all. It'll handle pretty much everything I throw at it anyway. Another thing I really like about this tractor is the hydrostatic drive. If you've never used one before, it's very, very simple to operate. Basically, you just put it in gear and you have this pedal here that goes forward and back. So heel and toe drive. Makes it very simple to creep up to things. It's great for loader work for around tight areas. And again, it's very, very simple to use. The other thing is the four-wheel drive. This is the control down here for it. So it's just up and down. I leave it in four-wheel drive almost all the time. Very rarely do I take it out. I couldn't imagine trying to do certain things I do around here with just two-wheel drive. I just don't think it would be able to pull it off. It's gotten me out of quite a few sticky situations, to say the least. The overall size of the tractor is a big plus for me as well. It's big enough to do real work, but still compact enough to get around buildings, trees, and the trails and everything that we use it for. I don't feel like I'm driving this humongous farm tractor, which is fine if that's what you need, but we'll use it for around our place. This is just the perfect size. Overall build quality is really good too, I find. Everything's tight, solid. I've never had any issues. The controls are simple. It's been a very, very reliable machine so far. I haven't had any issues at all. Some of the things I don't like, I guess, is actually the limited power. Like for the size of the tractor, you got to keep in mind that it is a compact tractor, so it's not going to do big loads, heavy things. So sometimes that would be a nice feature to have, especially if you're using lots of gravel, lots of dirt, that kind of thing. A bigger tractor would be nice, but this does it just a little bit slower, but it gets. One other small thing that I wish it had, I guess, it's not really a complaint, would be it only has a high and a low for the hydrostatic transmission. Sometimes it'd be nice to have like a mid-range, just because the high gear is way underpowered a lot of times. You just can't get things done, and then the low range is just way too slow. So it'd be nice to have a mid-range. The loader is perfect for most things around the property, but again, it's not a big tractor. You just have to be realistic about what you can lift. I've seen others out there that have actually bent the main arms trying to lift stuff that is just too heavy for it. It's a good thing and a bad thing, I suppose. It shows it has the power to do the lift, but structurally it's just not cut out for it. So the arms will bend. Just one more thing to keep in mind. So where I think this tractor really shines is for people like us with a small acreage, rural properties. If you're maintaining trails, moving snow, hauling materials, running a mower, or doing just general things around a property, something like that. Something like this tractor is just perfect for that. It works great. It's simple, capable, and easy to operate, which is really what you want. A couple things I wish I got, I guess, when I ordered it was a cab. When I was looking at buying a tractor, I talked to a few people, and pretty much all of them told me I should get it. It was around $4,000 option. Don't quote me on that, but I'm Canadian. And at the time, it just wasn't in our budget, and honestly, I didn't think I'd need it. Just dress warm. It's winter. We're Canadian. However, looking back with the harsh winters and summers, I kind of wish I had a cab. It would be nice. There's no doubt about that. So, and getting them put on after is, I haven't heard good things, so I've opted not to do that. We'll see. Maybe we'll get another one somewhere down the road, but for right now, we're just gonna tough it out. So overall, we've been really happy with this Kioti, the CK2510HST. Like any machine, it has its limits, but for the work I do around the property, it's been a really useful tractor. So that's it. Like I said, not a very technical review, just my thoughts on it. The good things, the bad things, some things I would change if I was gonna. If you're thinking about buying one of these, hopefully this video gave you a bit of real-world insight into what it's like to own and use one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them, the best I can, to my knowledge anyway. More than happy to. So thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it, and have a great day.